Good morning. It's not even 7 o'clock yet, is it?
No.
It's 6:45 in the morning. We are on our way to Hollywood Studios. We're going to try and get a boarding party for Rise of the Resistance. However, we're very much in the thing of the ride isn't closing anytime soon. So if we don't do it on this trip, we'll do it on the next trip. It's not like a massive thing. We weren't planning to do this. We just both woke up early, so we went, might as well. The plan is, if we don't get a boarding party and all that jazz, we're basically going to rope drop Toy Story Mania because we loved it and we've not got any more fast passes for it.
Yeah.
And then we're in Hollywood Studios anyway because we've got a fast pass for Slinky Dog at 9, so may as well give it a go.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. We've decided that we're getting a lift or Uber, same things, to Hollywood Studios just because we've heard that the buses have been super busy, and yeah, just figured we've come so far in actually getting ready. Let's not undo it all by getting stuck on a bus. It's a bit busy. We did it!
Yatta!
Boarding route 38. So I don't know what time that means, whether that means we will or we won't.
4 o'clock.
Well, because we're going to Victoria and Albert's tonight, if it gets too late, we will have to just ditch it, even though we've got it, but we got it. It's half the battle. We're now going to go into Toy Story Land and try and get on Toy Story Mania, I think.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hurry, hurry, hurry! Right this way to Toy Story Midway Mania!
There was a Magic 8 Ball and I was all like, will I ever win on Toy Story Mania? The thing, if you shook the Magic 8 Ball, it'd say outlook not so good. Andy's too good at it.
I like thrashed you in the first 3 games. Like,
did.
Doubled your points.
He did. To the extent that he thinks it was stopping him shooting because he was too far ahead of me.
Yeah. I got to 1 game, but basically I was only allowed to shoot once a second. So it was like, bump, bump, bump.
Yeah, basically, I suck. So we have a Ronto breakfast thing. We've got a Ronto breakfast wrap. I've got a Tatooine sunset and Andy just got a Coke Zero. Good. So breakfast was actually really nice.
Yeah, surprised at how good actually that was.
That Tatooine sunset was amazing.
Yeah, I should have got that.
I will happily just drink a vat of that.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
So that was on a quick service credit as well. So you got the Ronto morning wrap and a drink on quick service credit. So great little breakfast.
We actually managed to find seats quite easily as well.
Yeah, we just approached the table where there was 2 people sat on a 4 table and went, do you mind if I sit here? And it's like, yeah, no problem. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, not too bad at all. We're now going to carry on having a little potter around Star Wars Land. Obviously we've got our boarding party and we've also got a fast pass for Slinky Dog.
For comparison, we're boarding party number 38. It is 20 past 9 at the moment and we're up to 23 for boarding party. So it's looking like we're going to be before lunch before we get in.
And obviously we've got Slinky Dog at fast pass at 10 past 10. So we're basically just going to keep pottering between Toy Story Land and Star Wars Land for the rest of the day.
That's fine for me.
Stormtroopers are coming.
That's a negative.
We're going on to the swirling saucers. Pinky Pupper has been done. I don't know if I liked that first drop when it goes round.
I love it. Love it. Absolutely love it.
I think it was the fact that I looked down and was like, ooh, that feels a lot higher than when you're like not on it. But it was really good. I liked the bits like that.
Probably not going to get another fast pass for that though.
No.
Anyway.
Oh, well. Also not going to do 120 minute queue for what was a 2-minute ride if that. But the important thing now is
Rise of Resistance.
our boarding party's up. Are you excited?
Yes.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltam and then a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Initiate pre-affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Squads, we're rolling up.
Pokhara bound personnel, this is your final call to board.
Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red Shield Blue Fire, we're gonna clear a path so transport can make the jump.
Authority, are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Never quick, get out there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
Listen about the immediately and retro interrogation on the right. What are you waiting for? I said immediately. Get off the ship now.
They're moving.
Oh god.
Initial hold staff on front. Receive
right here. Single file, long wall,
Prisoners are secure.
We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Everyone safe? Everyone secure? Okay, we're with the resistance right this way. We're going to get you out of here. Remember those color units that you're assigned? We're going to utilize those here. Orange and silver are we...
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching detention 1-3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Whoa!
There they are. Fire. Take cover, recruit. If anyone's backing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad. The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Ah!
pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're right!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Indeed.
That was like
2 minutes more, I'd be crying.
Yeah, I've seen videos of it, but they don't do it justice.
No.
Like, oh, it's amazing.
It's like you could spend 2 hours in there staring in the same room and you wouldn't find a fault with it. The amount of detail that they've done for everything is unreal. Also, having randomly just troopers stood in the ride. So you're like, oh, it's a mannequin. No. Nope.
They were real. I don't have the words.
Yeah.
We are going to try it again. Because...
And it's just like the little things, like the cast members getting really into it.
Yeah.
The Imperial cast members, well, the First Order cast members getting really into it, and then in the end as you arrive after landing and then everyone's clapping you because you've arrived and stuff. It's...
there's a guy who was, there's a girl who was like in one of the other queues and she started staring down one of the girls, and she turned around to this guy and was like, we've got a troublemaker, and then he came and he was like, what are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? For ages, and got really like intense. Oh,
right.
It's just so good.
It was great.
The entire holiday was worth it for that ride.
Yep.
So good.
Joe knows I enjoyed it because I went silent about halfway through the queue.
Yeah.
Which was me mostly walking about going, I'm not going to cry, I'm not going to cry, I'm not going to cry.
I did notice after it finished you were wiping away a little tear.
Yeah.
You're allowed to be emotional about it.
Yeah.
It was so good. And now, there's something completely different. Our fast pass for Little Mermaid.
Let's go for that then.
Why not? Putting a bit more Star Wars in our lives by meeting Chewie.
Great. Oh, yeah.
So you cannot get lost.
No.
There you go, you got some. Bye, Chewie.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I didn't get it on camera because, like, I couldn't, but Chewie decided to give Andy some of his hair because he's not got enough hair.
Yeah, pretty much.